In this section, I'm going to show you the parts of the machine that need to be oiled, since this is one of the most important steps to keep the machine running perfectly without any issues. The first area is the rotary hook. We remove the bobbin case, and in this part here, or here as well, we add a small drop of oil to prevent friction in the rotary hook area. It's recommended to do this depending on the machine's usage hours, but ideally you should oil it every time you change the bobbin. This helps prevent metal-to-metal friction, so every time you change the bobbin, apply a drop of oil and that's it. The second area would be the needle bars. This can depend on your usage. Sometimes you only use 1 or 2 bars or 1 or 2 colors, but it's recommended to add a drop of oil to each bar once a week. And lastly, behind the head of the machine, there's a yellow marked hole. For this, we need to move the head to the laser position. Once it's in the laser position, you'll see the yellow painted hole, and there we add 4 drops of oil. This should be done once a week. This is very important for the machine, as it's part of its regular maintenance, whether daily or weekly, to prevent metal friction and ensure the machine continues running smoothly without wear or problems.